Courtney Enders here with FloRacing. We are continuing to get to know the drivers of the PRO Superstar Shootout that you will have at Bradenton Motorsports Park and streamed live only on FloRacing.com. And I've set up a little game here today for Coughlin Jr. and I'm going to try and whoop his butt here on the practice tree. TJ! So here we are. We're going to do something that I'm going to like to call practice tree and chill. So for those of you at home, you have to be 0.000 on this thing to be perfect. And TJ is very, very good at this. So as we get to know him, he's probably going to whip my butt. As we're doing this, give us a little background of who you are, where you come from, and kind of all the classes you've done in NHRA drag racing.
Well, I come from Columbus, Ohio. Born and raised the Buckeye State, 10 miles from the Ohio State University campus. Grew up with my dad and his brothers stocking shelves at a company called Jegs, and just kind of fell in love with drag racing.
Like they say it on the stream.
Jegs.
So, leaning into that professional category, you didn't just walk into this deal. A lot of people may think you just get to come in and race this black and yellow car. You've worked your way up through the system of drag racing. What all have you done?
Ran juniors for a little bit. My dad was always running pro stock. Super comp, ran that a ton. Super gas, a little bit of top dragster. Ran pro mod for a year, which was a blast with my dad. Done a bunch of stuff, and really fortunate to work with such awesome people. I'm the luckiest kid in the pits. I've always believed that.
I agree, and now you found your home here at Elite Motorsports, banging gears in a pro stock car. We're gonna lean into your family, your daughter out here. I want you to tell the story of spent days with us at the racetrack. You go to take her to daycare. What'd she say?
Well, usually Mondays after a race, it's, you know, where's Coco? Why aren't we going to the racetrack? It's becoming an issue. She's starting to get chapped. Usually she's kicking and screaming in the car. We're on our way to daycare. She doesn't want to go to daycare. She wants to go to the racetrack. So this is the ultimate daycare. I
love it. Let's do a couple of these hits. I am Greg Anderson in the lane next to you. Let's go. I get better, you get better. I want to talk about the competitive nature of this class. You just proved it for me right there. I say a name that you've been competing against. Talk to me about the competition in the pro stock category that we're going to see at Pro Superstar Shootout.
Well, that name in particular, I've broken laptops because of drag eaters as a child. Maybe I had anger issues, I don't know. But I remember listening to the Yahoo audio broadcast. And Greg cracked Dad, and it was like the third or fourth race, and it happened, and I remember I slammed my laptop shut. I was so chapped, it broke. Never turned on again. I was in like the 7th grade, and I saved up all my money that I had from my grades.
R.I.P. Greg Anderson.
Yeah, that's it.
People may not know we're competitive within our class, but there's also a professional competitive nature that comes from that with the company. Jegs, Summit, one of the greatest rivalries in motorsports.
It's a lot of fun. My grandfather always told us that you really need them. You need the competition they're going to drive you. It's a lot of fun, and it's very competitive, and we absolutely love it.
This is real life cribs. This is Brenna.
Hello.
TJ's wife. We were just talking about you, Brenna.
Yeah.
And we were talking about Aubrey, and your husband and I are having a little practice tree and chill.
So, true story, when I first met TJ, I thought this was drag racing. I didn't realize cars were involved. I thought everyone, just two people sat in a chair and hit the practice tree.
Well, they have that, practice tree tournaments.
It was
See
a
if I
great
can
break.
help you. Your wife's in here, you may be distracted, and I can get in there. Nope.
I lost 100th. I'm distracted. She's beautiful.
She is. Give us what TJ and the family is into at home.
Spending time with family, love going to sporting games, OSU football, OSU basketball is fun. Love to play golf. I'm not that great. I have to aim the ball about 30 yards left to make it into the fairway.
I saw a video on social media of you that it sounded phenomenal and it looked good.
Yeah,
you know,
yes,
the sound effects of the video.
I rushed it.
The Pro Superstar Shootout, this is worth a lot of money. Do you mentally go into this with a different mindset because of that money, or bragging rights just enough and all of that?
When I originally heard about this race, I could have been in tears. Just was so exciting because as somebody that has grown in this sport, and to see where it is today and to see the racers come together and bring this kind of coin makes me want to really get my kid involved and to grow the sport.
As we kind of wind this down, you've whooped my ass 150 times. we've proven why I got a job at FloRacing and why I'm promoting this sport, and you're doing this, and I have no shame in it.
I used to hit this 3 times a day.
Well, this has been Practice Tree and Chill with Courtney Jr. Say, oh wait, one more thing. Impression. Give me your best Richard Freeman impression.
Without cursing.
Yeah, that's right. She is a pastor's daughter.
Give me Richard Freeman when he comes back from the pit, from the starting line, after all of our cars just lost.
I'm gonna have to say it.
Say it.
Well,
Richard Freeman on the starting line after we just went number 1 by 300.
just stuck it straight up in their ass.
Brittany, so proud.
Oh my goodness.
We love you.